Hello, our topic is radio mass media. You can say that me, why is radio interesting? Radio broadcasts provide real-time information and some that broadcast 24 days can provide the most recent updates to listeners. Radio has the ability to reach across borders and can become a valuable source of information where reliable news is scarce. What is the radio in mass media? Radio is the transmission of signals by modulation of electromagnetic waves with frequencies below those of visual light. I can give one example from BBC for radio mass media. The same is China and Taiwan are really simple good. China has sent warship including an aircraft carrier into the seas around Taiwan. Being last show of military force followed a meeting on Wednesday in California between Taiwan's President Tsai Ing-wen and USA House Speaker Kevin McCarthy. China sees self-ruled Taiwan as breakaway province that will eventually be under Beijing's control. China's President Xi Jinping has said reunification with Taiwan must be fulfilled and hasn't ruled out possible use of force to achieve this. But Taiwan sees itself as distinct from the Chinese mainland with its own constitution and democratically elected leaders. You can give an interesting question that can Taiwan defend itself? China could attempt to bring about reunification by non-military means, such as strengthen economic ties. But in a military confrontation, China's armed forces would draft those of Taiwan. China spends more than any country respect the USA on defense and could draw on a huge range of capabilities, from naval power to missile technology, aircraft, and cyber attacks. Much of China's military power is focused elsewhere, but in overall terms of active duty personnel, for example, there is a huge imbalance between the two sides.